Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is DMAC, and I'm looking at a Assa Ruko 2 padlock. Very nice looking padlock. This one comes with the standard core. I don't know if it's a standard, but it's not the twin combi core. It's a 5-pin lock. Looks relatively easy bit in there. There's a high at the back. I did pick this one yesterday and it didn't seem too challenging. Certainly not as challenging as I thought it was going to be. It's got quite an open keyway, and I'm going to be using a Lock Tools teardrop profile with a Mad Bob's tension wrench there, and that's in 1mm. So let's pop him in and see what we got. I'm going to go straight to the back, try and pick up pin 5. That was 2 clicks out of 5. Nothing on 4. 3, no. 2. Little click out of 1. Back to the back again. That was 5. 4. No. 3. A little click on 3. Oh, I dropped the pins. Let's start again. Let's go back to the back. Make sure that wrench is in there. Okay, all the way to the back. 2 clicks out the back. Nothing on 4. So click on 3. Nothing on 2. 1 is binding. There's a click out of 1, it's still there. Ooh, there we go. It's open. Well, that was easier than expected. I think I struggled a little bit more with that yesterday when I opened it, but I'll take it. It's an Assa Ruko 2, and we got him open. So let's just get these picks out of the way and we'll gut it and see what's inside. So we've got a Torx bit down there. Let's just, there we go, pop that in there and see if we can get this core out. There we go. So we've got more Torx bits, a couple of Torx bits on the back. I don't think that one's going to fit, and that one's not going to fit. Let's see what else we got in here. Nope. Oh, that one fits. That one fits. So let's use him. I'm just gonna, I do have the keys to this, so I'm just gonna set this back to the locked position so I don't drop everything out. I'm gonna take these screws out. That's 1. 2, and that's the plate that sits on the back there. Okay, so let's get a follower ready and the pinning tray ready. Let's see what we've got in here. key there somewhere. Okay, let's turn the key round, use the follower, and there we go. The core's out, so it's just, there we go, there's the pins there. Let's drop them down into the pinning tray. I'm just going to change the angle of this video a little bit so that you can see. There we go, into the pinning tray a little bit better. Okay, one is a short pin, but we do have a master wafer there, quite a big one. Put them into one. Two is the same. Large master wafer. Three is the same. Master wafered. That's four. Very long pin, possibly a zero cut. And one more pin in there, which is pin 5. I'll just rearrange these a little better. That's 3 master wafers. That does give us some very long key pins, which means we didn't have to work too hard to pick them open. But if you look there on the core, I don't know if you can see that there, but there are serrations on the core to catch those Assa spool pins, which are in the Bible, I think. So let's get those out as well. Number 1 is an Assa spool. Number 2 is also an Assa spool. Number 3 is an Assa spool. Number 4, if I can get him, is also an Assa spool. And number 5 is also an Assa spool. So let's just rearrange these, and then you can see exactly what was in the lock when I picked it. Okay, let's just have a little look at what was in there. There we go, and we got all Assa spools in the top. You've got master wafers in 1, 2 and 3, giving us some very long key pins, which meant I didn't have to work too hard to get this open, which was great. So just have a look at the key bit in there so you can see that as well. There we go, that's the key. Okay, there we go. Thanks for watching, and that was the Assa Ruko 2. Lovely. Thanks for watching.